Welcome to episode 1 of the series. Uh, During this series, we will go over the kind of like mental you need to do trading and how to master the mental game in trading. As in my opinion, it's as important as having a good strategy. So before we talk about different kind of setups and entries and price action, we have to talk about you. And whether you realize it or not, most traders are gamblers. And we want to be the analyst, of course. First, we can go over some traits of the gambler type of trader. The gambler type of trader trades with feelings. They are really emotional, whether if it's that they win, they get really happy and think that they're on top of the world, or maybe that they lose and just starts revenge trading, that kind of stuff. Often what you will see is that the gambler type of trader wants fast results, overtrades a lot, does like many trades a day, emotional decision making, like does trades for revenge trading, that kind of stuff, no process, just hopes, doesn't have all of his confluences like lined up and stuff, just hope that it goes his direction, and definitely rushes into trades, aren't patient, aren't waiting to see his confluences being lined up, that kind of stuff. We have traits of the analyst, the one that we want to be. We think in probabilities. We review data and adjust. We review the previous session, see what highs and lows got manipulated, and we adjust to that. We trade less and win more. We only take the A plus setup, the setups that we know that we're most likely going to win. Yeah, only like less is more in trading, basically. We don't really react emotionally, whether we win or lose. We don't care. We just follow our strategy, and then the money will come eventually. And we wait and are patient. This is one of the most important thing. You have to wait. You have to wait for all of your confluences to line up, and and the only trades one clear strategy, doesn't jump around 20 different strategies, has one clear strategy that we follow and trade every single day. Gambler or analysis, who are you? I want you to be 100% honest with you right now. Are you a gambler or are you an analysis? Because to make a shift, to become more of the analysis, you have to at least realize that you're the gambler, right? So are you trading with emotion? Emotion decides execution. Trade to feel something, needs action, rush early entrance, or process decision execution. Do you trade to see something? Wait until you see something in the market. Do you need confirmation? That's the analysis trade. Do you wait until you have confirmation, your confluences line up, and you stay patient. So I want you to ask yourself, who are you? 3 steps to shift your identity. It's gonna take some time to shift the identity to become an analysis, but you just have to practice and stay patient. The first step that everyone should be doing right now, and you should start today if you aren't doing this, is journal your mindset, not just results. When you trade, try and start journaling your mindset, like what emotions you went through, what you were feeling. Did you start to get greedy? Did you have FOMO? Were you patient? Start journaling that, and not just results. Another thing you can do is you can build before I click checklist. It's like a checklist before I go into this and this trade. You can have like a checklist of different confluences that has to line up. Like, did you see a liquidity sweep? Did you see price run into an order block or fair value gap? Did you see a break of structure? That could be your checklist, for example. And only if all of those line up, then you do a trade. Review. Did I follow my strategy and process or chase emotion? Just go back and review your strategy, review your trades, review what you were feeling, that kind of stuff. In the next episode, we're gonna talk about fear and greed in the charts. We're gonna talk about different emotional cycles that you might go through when trading. We're gonna talk about liquidity traps and how market makers manipulate liquidity to basically fuck you over mentally, and why you might hesitate or have FOMO. So just like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just ask in the comments, or if you have any videos you might want me to post.